Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing Block Wars with my brother Jordan.
ආයුබෝවන් යහළුවෝ මේ අලුත් Minecraft වීඩියෝ එකට එක් වුණාට ස්තුතියි. මම ජෙඩි. මගේ channel එක ජෙඩි plays. මේ දැන් කරන්න යන්නේ අලුත් game එකක්. මේකේ නම Block Wars. මම ඒක කරන්න යන්නේ මගේ මල්ලි Jordan උත් එක්ක.
I will explain to you how it goes on the way.
game එක යන ගමන් මම ඔයාලට කියලා දෙන්නම් කොහොමද ඒක යන්නේ කියලා.
So now we will join into CubeCraft.
දැන් අපි join වෙනවා CubeCraft එකට.
Jordan, are you already in?
Jordan ඔයා ඇතුල් වෙලාද ඉන්නේ? Jordan ඔව් කියනවා.
I am now going to invite Jordan.
මම දැන් Jordan ව invite කරන්න යන්නේ.
I have invited him.
එයාව invite කරලා තියෙන්නේ.
Okay, he has joined into the party.
එයා party එකට දැන් join වෙලා තියෙන්නේ.
Okay. Right. This is Block Wars right at the end here. No, is this no, that's not right. This is Block Wars here, right here.
මේක තමයි Block Wars.
It's fine. I just teleported you. Okay, Jordan, this is also your first time playing. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jordan, මේක මේ game එක සෙල්ලම් කරන පළවෙනි වතාව නේද? Jordan ඔව් කියනවා.
This is my second time playing, so even I'm not that new.
මේ ජෙඩි
No, wait, Jordan.
මේක මගේ දෙවනි වතාව මේ game එක ගහන එක.
Okay, so we are going to do capture the flag.
අපි දැන් කරන්න යන්නේ capture the flag හෙවත් කොඩිය අල්ලා ගැනීම.
So we have to, okay, I'll just go in, okay. So we have to protect our flag over there.
අපිට දැන් කරන්න තියෙන්නේ අපේ කොඩිය ආරක්ෂා කරන්න ඕනේ.
You already spawn in with some blocks.
පටන් ගන්නකොටම ඔයාට blocks කීපයක් හම්බ වෙනවා.
Wait until we leave this cage.
මේ කෝඩුවෙන් අපි අයින් වෙනකන් ඉමු පොඩ්ඩක්.
So this is like Sky Wars and Treasure Wars combined.
මේක Sky Wars සහ Treasure Wars අතර මේ ඒවා එකට දැම්මොත් මේ වගේ ගේම් එකක් තමයි සෙල්ලම් කරන්න පුළුවන්.
So we have to protect our flag.
අපේ කොඩිය ආරක්ෂා කරන්නත් ඕනේ.
But we also need to mine ores so that
අපි ores හාරන්න ඕනේ. ඒ ores හාරලා
we need yeah, we're blue team. Come help me protect this. I need
ඇවිල්ලා මට උදව් කරන්න මේ අපේ කොඩිය ආරක්ෂා කරන්න. ආරක්ෂා කරන්නට තමයි මම මේ බ්ලොක්ස් ටික දාලා ලොකු බිත්තියක් හදන්නේ ඒකට වටේ. Whoa, thicker wall.
No, I can't.
2 and 3 layers of thing. Then they take one big. One layer is not enough.
Where are you? Is that you? Oh my god. Okay, there's a red guy here.
මේ attack එකක් එනවා මේ පැත්තට.
They have more gear than us. We're trying. We can't do a thicker wall because we can do a thicker wall, but help me! Help! We need to defend. I'm respawning now. Don't let them get the.
Jordan has.
If they get the flag 3 times, they win.
මේගොල්ලෝ කොඩිය 3 වතාවක් ගත්තොත් මේගොල්ලෝ දිනනවා.
I died.
I killed the person.
Nice. Quickly. They caught our flag once. Oh no, they took it again. That's right. Don't let them make it to base. Don't let them make it to their base. Then they get another point. Quickly, get that guy. Get that guy. If he brings a, oh no, he got the flag. He got the flag to his team. I'm going to try and get the flag. Get a flag. We need more gear. We need more gear.
අපි අලු තවත් මේ බඩු ඕනේ.
They have gotten our flag 2 times. We can't let them get it one more time.
තුන්වෙනි වතාවක් අපිට ඒ ෆ්ලැග් එක ගන්න දෙන්න බෑ.
They're coming.
ඒක හිතෙනවා.
Okay, I jumped on.
I died.
Help, help!
I died.
I'm trying to protect this. Oh, shoot. We have both. Oh no, they went to the top. We can't do it from the top. We haven't gone to mining ores because this red team is ruthless.
How many people in the red team?
Same amount as we have. Oh no, we can't let them take it back. Come on, they're gonna try and take the. Oh no, we lost.
Go for their flag.
No, if they take that flag that we were having, they win. Now see, there I was. No. All of the flags were taken and we lost. So that was like a really intense match, but I wanted it to be a nice easy one so that we could explain. Whatever, you are in my team, okay? I can see you. Okay, so Jordan, you get the basics. We'll do another match to show you how it's done.
Jordan, ඔයාට දැන් තේරුණා නේද? අපි තව මැච් එකක් කරමු.
Okay, start covering it up. Start covering it up. Help cover. Start mining blocks. You can get mining ingots and such. Most people will try and come from the top. So we need to make a high wall, or as high as it can get.
ඉස්සෙල්ලා බලන්න ඉතින් මෙන්න එහෙනම් අපි උසස් තාප්පයක්
I'm going to get some wood planks to protect.
අම ලී ලෑලි වගේක් ගන්න යනවා ආරක්ෂාවට.
Okay. Okay, they're coming in. Let's go in.
ඒගොල්ලෝ දැන් එනවා. අපි යන්න අතුලට.
Help, little help.
මට උදව් කරන්න කියලා ජෙඩි කියනවා.
Oh no, they took our flag. Did they take our flag? They took our flag? They took our flag, yeah. They took our flag.
එක ගත්තා.
Did they put it back? We can't let them put it back. Oh no, they captured our red flag. Wait, are we red or blue? We are blue flag. Oh, wait. A second. We are blue flag. Oh, we got their flag. Nice. We got it upside down. Oh, nice. Oh, you were killed. Okay. I'm going in. They have better gear, but.
මේගොල්ලන්ට අපිට වඩා හොඳ බඩු තියෙනවා නමුත්
Oh, I fell down. It's okay.
මරුණා.
Yeah, you try and protect the flag. I'm going to try and go in. We have to push them, otherwise they are going to push us. Oh no, we're under geared. No one's coming. No one's here in our team. They're going to get our bed. I mean a flag.
මේගොල්ලෝ අපේ
Help,
flag
help.
එක ගන්න යන්නේ අපේ කොඩිය ගන්න යනවා තව පොඩ්ඩක්.
Focus on the people who are trying to get the flag. Some of them are trying to distract us.
How many people?
All of them.
Aren't we only 2 people?
No, there aren't 2 people. They are trying to get our flag. They have the same amount of people as us.
So they have 2.
No.
They all have 2, they have 2. There are other people also.
Yeah. Can't you see these other people?
I can't see anybody. You can only see a whole bunch of people running around.
Come on. Oh no, this person's trying to get in. He's gotten in. He's gotten in,
එයා ඇතුල් වෙලා ඉන්නේ. එයාව මරන්න ඕනේ ඉක්මනට.
but he can't run away. He's inside a box. He's inside the box. Yes. I got him.
එයාව මරුණා. එයා ඇතුළට ආවා. හැබැයි එයාට එළියට යන්න බෑ. පෙට්ටිය ඇතුලේ හිටියා. අපි එයාව මැරුවා.
He tried to block himself in and get it, but he didn't understand that he had to bring it back to his team.
එයාත් noob කෙනෙක්.
What happened? You fell down. Okay, let's go.
වරුන් නිකන් ඔහේ වැටෙනවා.
Ooh, I'm sniping some people.
මම වෙඩි තියනවා කීප දෙනෙක්.
I died.
මම මරුණා නමුත් මම ඉක්මනට ආපහු එනවා.
Yeah, hopefully. Oh no, 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 they're coming in, they're coming in. One person though.
එයාව ටක් ගාලා මරමු.
Yeah. Quickly, they're coming.
ඉක්මනට එන්න ජෝර්ඩන්.
This guy's kitted out.
එයා දැන් fully ආයුධ ඔක්කොම ඇඳුම් ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. නවත්තන්න හරි අමාරුයි. මමත් වැටුණාද? මම දුවන්න ගිහිල්ලා මමත් වැටුණා පඬිතෙක් විදියට.
No, I was trying to kill him. Okay, he would have been set back to normal. No, I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna try and get some. I'm trying to get some good. Oh my God, this guy is trying to. So light. That guy.
Keep killing everyone in sight. Yeah, just kill them. Shoot them with your arrows and what.
Die, little fellow, die.
Oh.
This game could drag on forever. So I'm going to try and protect our base a little bit more. Okay, they are in. See, now he got an iron. I'm going to try and go into their base. Okay, I'm going in there. I died. I just got killed. Oh no. A lot of people are dying. Okay, I'm going in.
Jordan, are you defending or attacking?
Yeah, defending.
You are attacking.
Come back here. Stop it.
Just go for the flag.
No, wait. I have to defend.
Are you defending?
Yes, this is my flag. I'm trying to protect it here.
මේගොල්ලෝ අපේ flag එක attack කරනවා. අපි තාම මේගොල්ලන්ව defend කරනවා අපේ flag එක.
Oh, I got a strength power up. Nice. Oh, we captured another flag. We captured their flag.
Ikman again.
No, it was brought in. That's why we said captured. When it's taken, that means it's not. Oh, someone's coming in. Oh, I just barely saw that. Oh no, where is he? Staying inside, I think.
Check inside. Reinforce your wall.
No, shit. Where is he? He's getting the flag. Oh, he died.
Pick up the flag now.
No, it's yeah, it was dropped.
Yeah, but does it automatically come back?
Yeah, it comes back. Ooh, got another kill. Nice, this guy. Ooh. We got a jump boost. Oh, I died. Yeah, that slows you down. Okay, this is one of the most hectic games I've ever played. We got to come on. We got strength. That's good. Ooh. Okay, we got to get one more. Oh, they haven't protected their flag at all. No wonder. You have to stay in a little. Oh shoot! They haven't protected their flag at all. No wonder we're winning. Yeah, but they're just defending, and I can't take it. They take some time to get it.
So their strategy is not to build a wall, but just stand there and do it.
No, they're trying to just come hard and fast and kill us and get the flag. Without building, just go straight away, kill.
මේගොල්ලෝ තාප්පයක් හදලා නැහැ. ඒගොල්ලෝ බලන්නේ අපේ flag එක attack කරන්නයි ඊට පස්සේ අපේ flag එක ගන්නයි.
Yeah, oh, we won. Right. We won.
No,
අපි දින්න.
What?
Yes, you are blue team. What did you think you were?
Oh, we lost?
what was that?
Okay, I'm not sure what happened there. I think we may have lost.
What was that?
Okay, right, we're going to do one more game.
අපි තව එක game එකක් කරන්න යනවා.
Then we are done.
ඒකට වීඩියෝ එක ඉවරයි.
We will do it with our brother next time.
ඊළඟ සැරේ පොඩි බල්ලි ජොෂුවත් එක්ක කරන්න යනවා.
Okay, so I don't know that we won. It's okay.
අපි දින්නද නැද්ද කියලා ෂුවර් නැහැ.
So, and remember to subscribe with post notifications on.
අපේ channel එකට subscribe කරන්න අමතක වෙන්න එපා. notifications දාන්න.
Okay, I'm going to try and go straight in.
මම කෙලින්ම ඇතුළට යනවා.
Is there a wall already? Wait. I think the wall has to go down. The wall may have to go down.
තාප්පේ පල්ලයට දාන්න ඕනේ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම.
Yeah, okay, so we have time to defend.
ඒක දැන් වෙලා තියෙනවා අපේ තැන ඩිෆෙන්ඩ් කරන්න.
Okay, see there are oars. Okay, let's just cover that up. I'm going to try and get the oars to show you what I mean.
මම දැන් ඔයාලට ඕස් ටික පෙන්නනවා.
Now see,
මම මොකද්ද කියන්නේ කියලා.
I have now broken some iron ores and now I'm getting iron ingots.
මම අයන් ඕස් වගේක් කඩලා තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා මට අයන් ඉන්ගොට්ස් දැන් ගන්න පුළුවන්.
And now I am gotten some iron ingots which I can make armor out of or weapons.
දැන් මට අයන් ඉන්ගොට්ස් වලින් එක්ක ආයුධ හදන්න පුළුවන්, ආරක්ෂිත අඳුමුත් හදන්න පුළුවන්. වාර්ණ අහනවා ඔයාලට බ්ලොක්ස් තියෙනවද කියලා.
Some amount. Here, someone's here! Someone's here! Someone's here! Blue, blue, blue! Behind her! Behind! Oh, someone!
එක්කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවද?
He's coming in!
එයා ඇතුළට එනවා.
He's not even fighting. He's trying to get the flag. That's all.
එයා ෆයිට් කරන්නේ. එයා බලනවා ෆ්ලැග් එක අරන් ටග් ගාලා දුවන්න කියලා.
Okay, okay, okay. Why?
ඔයාලට බ්ලොක්ස් තියෙනවද?
Die then and respawn with some blocks. Oh, I got a speed boost. Speed boost.
ස්පීඩ් බූස්ට් එකක් හම්බුණා.
Yeah, I know. That's why. I'm telling. So that we can all get it. Good. That will give you some blocks. I'm trying to.
මම දැන් අරුණ කියලා ජොයින් කියනවා. ජෙඩි කියනවා හොඳයි. ඔයාලට බ්ලොක්ස් කීපයක් හම්බ වෙනවා.
Okay, I'm trying to get some iron sword. I'm trying to. Oh!
කිව්වා.
He's in a box. I think he's in a box. He's in a box. He's in a box. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Nice. He's dead.
ඔන්න දැන් දෙන්නා එකට සටන් කරා. ඒ හින්දා ජයග්‍රහණය හම්බුණා.
Oh, you are here. Nice. Get in quickly. Hurry up. I have to. Oh, there it goes. Quickly. I'm going to try and get some.
මම ආයි ගන්න ඉන්නේ.
I'm going to get some. Got a stick. Iron sword. Ooh. Okay. Right, we're fine. Let's go in. Okay, another speed boost.
මට තව ස්පීඩ් බූස්ට් එකක් හම්බුණා.
Wow, they got TNT. They got TNT.
ඒගොල්ලන්ට TNT තියෙනවා. ඒ හින්දා බෝම්බ හදන්න පුළුවන්. අපිට විරුද්ධව.
Ooh.
ඒක තමයි බෝම්බ එක සද්දේ.
Okay, I'm going in.
මම ඇතුළට යනවා.
Help me!
Are we red team?
Yeah!
මට උදව් කරන්න කියලා ජෝර්ඩන් කියනවා.
Yeah, I'm in a mosh pit. Yeah. I'm trying to keep them from our base. I'm trying to shoot. I held them back. Go in. Oh no, there's a blue guy. It's fine. Let's go. Kill him. Let's go.
මේගොල්ලන්ව මරන්න අපි යන්.
I got speed. Let's go.
මට දැන් වේගයේ බූස්ට් එකක් හම්බුණා.
Woo! Trying to. Wait. What the?
Looting flag day.
Oh, there's a red guy. Oh no, I'm red. Oh shoot. When you trap yourself inside the box, it's very hard to get out. We have to finish this game. Quickly, let's go.
අපි ඉක්මනට යන්. ජෙඩි ෆ්ලැග් එක ගත්තා. නමුත් එතන හිටපු එක්කෙනෙක් එයාව මැරුවා. ඒක තමයි ඔයා දැන් දැක්කේ.
Ah, shoot.
දැන් වෙන්නේ ආපහු ජෙඩි රීස්පෝන් වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ නැවත ඉපදෙනවා. ගයිස් ටග් ගාලා යන්න ඕනේ. මේක හරි ඉක්මනට ගහන ගේම් එකක්. තමන්ගේ හිතන්න පුළුවන් හැකියාව හොඳට දියුණු වෙනවා ටක් ගාලා තීරණ ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙනවා.
I didn't jump. I didn't jump.
මේ වගේ ගේම්ස් වලින් ළමයින්ගේ නුවණ හුඟක් දියුණු වෙනවා. ටක් ගාලා තීරණයක් ගන්න ඕනේ. ඇටැක් කරනවාද, ඩිෆෙන්ඩ් කරනවාද? ෆ්ලෑග් එක වටේ
I got us haste. Haste, we can.
තාප්පේ නොදා ඉන්නවාද? එළින්ම ඩිෆෙන්ඩ් කරනවාද? අනිත් ෆ්ලෑග් එකට යනවාද නැත්නම් අපේ ෆ්ලෑග් එක ඩිෆෙන්ඩ් කරනවාද? ඒ වගේ තීරණ ටක් ටක් ගාලා ගන්න ඕනේ.
I'm a blue guy, okay? Listen, I'm a blue guy. Okay, I'm dead. Where? Okay, I'm distracting them at the base so that they'll keep on following me without coming at you all. Can you come quickly? Wait, is there someone following you? Oh no, oh no, whatever. No. Is someone at our base?
John, you got the power up, use it.
We all got the power up when he gets it. When someone gets it, we get the... Oh yeah, we all got speed.
Beautiful.
Yeah, there's someone at the base.
I'm trying to
Is that red guy yours?
I'm trying to snipe people. Okay, no one's doing anything here. Get the blue guy. Try and get him.
නිල් පාට එක්කනව ගන්න.
No. No, I'm red. We're red. Oh, he's trying to trap himself in here. He's trying to trap. Oh, blue is coming.
Blue එනවා. ඒගොල්ලෝ අපේ ෆ්ලෑග් එක ගන්න එනවා ඉක්මනට. වෝර්නින් ඔයා ඉක්මනට සටන් කරන්න, ඩිෆෙන්ඩ් කරන්න.
Let them run. If they're running, just let them run.
ඒගොල්ලෝ දුවනවා නම් දුවපු දෙන්න. ඔයා පිටිපස්සෙන් දුවන්න එපා.
Yeah.
එන්නද ජෝන්.
Come on.
එන්න ඉක්මනට.
Oh, someone's in.
කවුරු හරි ඇතුල් වෙලා තියෙනවා අපේ ෆ්ලෑග් එකට අපි ඒක ඩිෆෙන්ඩ් කරන්න ඕනේ. කාලා මරන්න ඕනේ. අනිත් පැත්තෙන් එනවා. They chase and kill him.
He's dead. I'm trying to
build up. Yes.
Yeah, I'm trying to
second
protect.
wall around. Double wall.
No, we don't have time for that.
Just do it.
We don't have time for that.
That
They
time
will
will
come.
come later. You have value later. Just keep doing it. Let them come. They come, you kill them. Well, send a message to your teammates to go for their flag.
Okay, I'm getting haste. We got a mine their thing. I'm getting more speed.
තව ස්පීඩ් හම් වෙනවා. ඉතින් දුවලා ගන්න ඕනේ.
Oh, we got TNT.
TNT තියෙනවා.
I'm taking the flag. Beep! No. Die. No.
Send the TNT onto them.
Shoot, they were sent that. I don't know what happened. Quickly. Oh no, what happened to our base also? Okay, we need to build up our base too.
Yeah. So I said put a double wall.
No, something happened. I think they put TNT on us. I don't know. Ah, blue!
ඔන්න blue එකෙක් attack කරනවා.
Nah, it's only one. He's dead, I think. Yep, he's
ඒගොල්ලෝ
dead.
සමහර විට අපේ බේස් එකට TNT ගහලා ඇති. මොකද මට පේන විදියට අපේ තාප්පයක් කැඩිලා තියෙනවා.
Yeah! Doing what?
Excuse me.
Yeah, I said no. That's all. I did nothing wrong. Someone's coming!
කෙනෙක් එනවා.
Die! Where are you? Stupid flag! Okay, he's in a mosh pit. He's dead. It's like a staircase for them to come. Is there someone coming? Okay, I'm going. No! What?
Okay, put a double wall then. More difficult.
Ah! Okay, that thing is free. I'm going to...
flag එක ගන්න.
Oh, shoot. Your flag returned? Oh my gosh, not even one flag has been taken.
මේ ඔක්කොමලා එක එක එනවා attack කරනවා flags ටික ගන්න.
Yeah, but no flag of ours has been taken.
Team දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ නිල් පාටයි රතු පාටයි.
Oh, the game was a tie. It went on for too long.
Game එකේ දැන් දිනුවක් නැහැ, පෙරදීමක් නැහැ. draw එකක් වෙලා තියෙන්නේ මෙතන.
Because it went on for too long.
වෙලා වැඩි හින්දා.
This is the end of the
Yes.
මේක වීඩියෝ එක අවසානය බැලුවට ස්තුතියි අපේ channel එකට subscribe කරන්න Jedi Plays ගේ channel එකයි Jordan Plays ගේ channel එකයි
Yeah, please subscribe.
notifications දාන්න like එකක් දෙන්න යාළුවන්ට share කරන්න
And bye guys.
Thank you for watching.
බැලුවට ස්තුතියි